Oh my God, guys, I finally made it. I'm literally inside the legendary Galactic Express. Look at this corridor. It smells like old rich money, expensive cedar. Shh, don't look too obvious, but look behind me. The passengers here look like they stepped right out of a 1920s royal ball. Oh, excuse me, sir. Quick question for my vlog. Do you know what planet we are passing right now? No? Just enjoying the silence? Okay, he just wiggled his ears at me. So cute. Let's find the dining car. I hear they have the best view. Heading into the restaurant car now. Oh, wow. Look at this place. Crystal chandeliers everywhere, sparkling wine glasses, and a smell of freshly ground Arabica and rich chocolate. Look at this place. Oh my God, the sound of a real Orient Express. This is insane. Look at this bar counter, it's so perfectly polished. And look at the bartender. Sir, can I get a coffee? Wow, look at his eyes. They are literally pure liquid gold. Oh, wow. The Orma is unreal, guys. It smells like dark Swiss chocolate mixed with, I don't know, orange? Yep, officially the best coffee in this quadrant of the universe. All right, coffee break is over. Time to find my compartment. Follow me. Check out who I found on the morning commute. Moving to the sleeper cars now. Look at this hallway, guys. Passing some locals right here. Their outfits are absolute luxury. Silk, colors, incredible. Look at these walls. It's actual embroidered silk upholstery. Every single inch of this train is just insane craftsmanship. Touch this. Here we are, cabin number 7. Let's see what real interstellar luxury looks like. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this room. Real blue silk sheets, fresh wood, but the window. Guys, look at the freaking window. It's huge. This fabric is unreal. It's actual heavy biological silk. You literally melt when you touch it. I might just stay here forever, honestly. All right, since this train is basically a royal palace in space, I can't just walk around in jeans, right? Let's pick a dress. Something elegant, shiny. Maybe this one? No, no, no. Ta-da! Look at the new fit, babe. Now I actually look like an interstellar duchess or something. This dress feels amazing on the skin, ready to explore the rest of the train. Something is wrong, guys. Oh my God! Stop right there! Look through the glass door, guys. Look at the people inside that car. Oh no! They are stopped mid-step. This wine is literally in the air. They are not dead. They are stopped! What is this? Wait, no. Look at the door edges. That blue glow is leaking through the cracks. Oh my God, the air right next to me is freezing. I need to move, now! The anomaly is spreading down the hallway. The wood, the carpets, everything behind me is literally freezing. We need to go to the tail of the train. Sir, I'm not joking. Look at the back doors. Blue mist. Oh no. No. Blue anomaly, it broke through. Look at the tables. Move. Look at the stars outside. The train is pushing maximum speed, but we can't outrun this thing. Mechanical locks? That's it. We are in very tail of the Galactic Express. Okay. Breathe. Panic won't save us, but science will. I'm a smart girl. I can figure this out. What did we see? Frozen people mid-action. Oh my God, wait. I know what this is. Listen closely, guys. In ancient Greece, there was a philosopher named Zeno, and he created a mind-blowing paradox about a flying arrow. He claimed that a flying arrow is actually completely motionless. Sounds like total nonsense, right? But hear me out. But in the 20th century, physicists discovered that Zeno was actually right. They proved that an unstable quantum particle is about to decay or change, and you look at it continuously, it stops. It's called the Quantum Zeno Effect. Think of the phrase, a watched pot never boils. In the quantum world, this is a literal rule. Continuous observation locks the system. It freezes time for it. If you keep measuring it, it cannot change. And now look at our train. This entire luxury express is packed with automated tracking systems, security cameras, and motion sensors. The train itself is continuously measuring and observing that wave. It's forcing the anomaly to stay frozen and expand. We need to turn off everything. Shut down the main power grid, kill the security sensors, the tracking radars, the lights. We have to plunge this whole train into total darkness. If observation is what keeps it frozen, what happens if we completely stop looking? What if we completely blind the train? If there is no observer, the system must change. The lights are dead. The only thing left watching this room is... It's getting real, guys. This is it. I have to turn off this camera. If we don't look and the camera doesn't record, the quantum loop will break. The passengers will unfreeze. Close your eyes with me. See you on the other side. The blue anomaly is gone. Look at him. My golden-eyed friend is completely speechless. He has lived on this train for God knows how long, and he has never seen anything like this. So, here's the final update, guys. The Zeno effect is gone. The passengers in the other cars are safe and moving again. Wow. What a day. So, to wrap it up for you guys, the Quantum Zeno Effect is real, and it almost trapped us in a timeless hell. Officially the best coffee and the best rescue mission in the galaxy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, babe. See you. Bye!